Hello guys, this is Dr. Shozi and we are still dealing with our tutorial class 1 under Learning Opportunity 1. And specifically we are going to look at problem 1.2.2. For this problem, we are told that z is equal to x plus iy, meaning it's a complex number since it has a real and an imaginary part. And we are supposed to express the given quantity in terms of x and y. The quantity is the imaginary part of 2z plus 4 times the conjugate of z minus 4i. So we are supposed to express that quantity in terms of x and y. So let's begin. Well, to do this, we don't forget that we are looking at the imaginary part, and within here, within the bracket we have 2, then instead of z we are going to write x plus iy plus 4. Instead of z conjugate we are going to write x minus iy because that is precisely the conjugate of z, and we still have that minus 4i there. So our next step would be taking the imaginary part off. Let us remove all brackets there. We have 2x plus I times 2y plus 4x minus I times 4y minus 4i. So that's what we have. And then we are going to have the imaginary part, and within this bracket we want to write that expression inside the bracket in such a way that we can see its real part and its imaginary part. So for its real part, we have 2x plus 4x, and then, yes, it's only 2x plus 4x. Those are the only terms for the real part. And then for the imaginary part, we're going to have I, then we have a bracket there, we are going to have a 2y minus 4y minus 4. That's what we have for the imaginary part. So simply, this looks like 2x plus 4x, that's the same as 6x plus I, and then 2y minus 4y. 2y minus 4y, that is the same as negative 2y, and then you still have that minus 4 there. So this, the imaginary part of this quantity here is precisely negative 2y minus 4. That is the imaginary part. If we were asked to find the real part of this, we would have done the same thing up to this step here, but then from here we will take our answer to be 6x because that's the real part of this expression. But for this example, we are asked to find the imaginary part, hence we have minus 2y minus 4. Thank you. Going to see you again in our next problem.